In today's video, we are unboxing a budget headphone, Boat Basshead 225. Let's unbox.
Hello friends, my name is Shrudin VS. Technology is a thing of today and tomorrow. So let's mesmerize in technology. Welcome to my channel, TechMerize.
In the box, we have our earphone, warranty card, extra ear tips, and a wingtip. The earphone is having flat cable and seems very durable from the initial impressions. The joint where the wire meets earpiece is given enough protection to not to break in case of rough usage. The 3.5mm audio jack is gold plated. Most of the earphone is built using metal, so build quality is good here. Let's test out the sound quality of this earphone. The sound quality of this earphone is okay. It's not the best, it's not bad either. I was confused between going for a wired earphone or wireless. If you are low on budget, then go for wired earphone. The sound quality of wired headset are far better than the wireless at the same price range. That's why I chose this earphone. Because I am on a low budget and I'm looking for an earphone around 500 rupees. To get better noise isolation and comfort while using this earphone, make sure to use the right sized earbuds. This is applicable for all the earphones. I personally like JBL CS100 SI very much, and it's been my daily driver for almost 2 years. Here, Boat Basshead 225 is very good in terms of look and build quality and bass. The sound quality is not bad, but it's not the best one in the segment. This earphone comes with a mic, so let's test the mic in this earphone. I'm recording this audio using the mic from the headphone. Let's see how the sound quality is. The final verdict here is if you are looking for an earphone around 500 rupees price range with very good looks and build quality and love the bass, then go for this earphone. That's it friends, thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, please subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified about the latest tech videos whenever I upload. Goodbye and see you on the next video.